Hello, my name is Madeline Smith, and I am a recruiter at Fresenius Kidney Care. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about our nurse residency program. So, here at Fresenius, we have a nurse residency program, or what we also call our pre licensed nurse program. With this program, you're able to interview during your last year of school and can receive an offer up to 8 months in advance of graduation. You can begin training before passing the NCLEX. So, what this means is that you have 90 days from your start date to obtain your license. So you're able to begin training, and then you have 90 days from that start date to pass your boards. Um, and then you train as a nurse from day one and are paid as a nurse, as a licensed nurse as well, with that agreement that you will pass the NCLEX within 90 days. You also are eligible for up to $10,000 in bonuses, and then these are paid out over the 15-month residency program. So at 30 days, you receive a $4,000 sign-on bonus. At 6 months, you receive a $2,000 retention bonus. And then at the end of the 15 months, you receive a $4,000 bonus, which equals the $10,000. You're also eligible for $5,250 per year in tuition reimbursement. And then we have monthly start date options to accommodate your busy schedule. So we have one cohort per month that starts across the entire country. So no matter where you are located or what clinic that you start at, we have one start date per month. And then this program is open to all locations across the US. So we have over 2,600 clinics in the US, and we can place you at any of these clinics. So depending upon where you live and what you're interested in, you can just visit our career site and apply to that specific location. And then a little bit about what to expect with the residency program in transitioning into a specialty like nephrology. So this is a structured and comprehensive training program beyond what a new and inexperienced nurse would receive. So over the course of that first year, over the 15-month residency program, we will train you, and will provide a sense of community and a nurturing environment for you, as you train and get comfortable with the specialty of dialysis. So the first 12 weeks after you start, we have our prep program or our renal education program. This is that 3-month new employee orientation program we have here. And so for those first 3 months, you train, learn how to care for dialysis patients, use the machines, everything like that before you hit the floor and start to take on your own patients. So again, you train for 12 weeks before you start to care for your own patients. So we ensure that by then you feel comfortable to do so. And then we have additional skills trainings throughout the 15 months as well. And these are monthly, where everyone in the cohort will do these trainings, and they include fluid management, nutrition of chronic dialysis patients, stress management, coping skills, working with dialysis patients, and so on. And then just a few lifestyle benefits at Fresenius. So as I mentioned, we have the residency program at all of our locations across the US, and all of our clinics have different schedules. So the schedules vary, but the hours are flexible. So most of our nurses will work 3 12s or 4 10s. The most common shift we see is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. But the schedules are flexible. So some depend upon what you're interested in, scheduling wise, you can work with the manager. And then some of our clinics are open on Saturdays, and some are not, but all of our clinics are closed on Sundays, and there's no overnight shifts or no on-call shifts either. And then we're closed on all major holidays. So you're able to spend, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's with your friends and family. And then lastly, a huge benefit of working with us and working in dialysis is the deep relationships that you create with your patients and their families. So you have the same patients coming in and day out, month after month, year after year. So you create a really deep bond with them, and then with their support systems as well. And then here is an overview of our company benefits. So here at Fresenius, we definitely have you covered. We have several healthcare plans for medical, dental, and vision. We have several FSAs and disability plans as well. And then, as I mentioned before, we have that continuing education program. So you're eligible for up to $5,250 per year for tuition reimbursement. We have great paid time off. That's very flexible as well. And then we have additional perks, for, we have adoption assistance, we have discounts for phone, car, computer, fitness programs, and then we have a great 401k and retirement savings plan as well. So thank you so much for listening today. To learn more about our opportunities, find locations and clinics in your area, please visit www.fmcna.com/careers. Thank you.